Barriers of communication and techniques to overcome the barriers. Okay, this is the last topic of Unit 1 review of communication process. Okay, this first line. What is mean by barriers? Any answers? What is mean by barriers? Barriers is problem or obstruction. Okay, communication obstruction. Barrier is the problem and obstruction of the communication. Obstruction during the communication process. There is some obstruction or that prevents the communication process. Preventing, that is the barrier. See, before we are entering into the topic, before that we have to know some meaning about the communication. I already know the communication meaning. One second. The communication meaning is the activity. Okay, activity of conveying meaningful information. Okay, see, the communication, it's the activity of conveying the message, or activity of conveying the meaningful message, meaningful information. It requires sender, message, recipient, I mean receiver. Okay, I already know this one, communication. Now the barrier is the new word. In the first year, you just touch the barrier. Okay, you just touch the syllabus barrier. Only there is 5 marks or 2 marks. There is main question in the first year. Okay, in the second year, barrier, I'll explain in deep about what is barrier and what are the different types of barriers and how to overcome. Okay, how to overcome, or techniques to avoid the barriers, or techniques to overcome or preventing the barrier. See, the barrier, the basic meaning or general term, the barrier is an obstacle or obstruction. Okay, obstruction in a place that prevents us from completing certain tasks. This is the common meaning. Barrier is the common meaning. Obstruction or obstacle. Okay, obstruction or obstacles that prevent some crossing some area. Okay, during this COVID situation or COVID period, all the villagers or village panchayat head, okay, all the senior person in the village, okay, they put some barriers using some of the sand or some of the bricks. Okay, they control, they prevent the city, okay, citizen, city people. Okay, they prevent the urban people coming into their villages. They preventing the COVID like that. There is put some barriers or obstacle, obstruction of the road. There's some putting some sands or bricks or some bush. Okay, like that they will prevent the road. They control or they obstruct the road. Okay, see, that is the common term of barrier. There's obstacle or obstruction in the place that prevent us from completing certain tasks. This is the barrier, common meaning. Next, the communication barrier. Communication barrier, it can be defined as, see, the mass can define communication barrier. For define barrier means you write the common term of barrier, no problem. If they ask define the communication barrier or define the barriers of communication, that can be defined as the aspects or conditions that interfere with effective exchange of ideas. Effective exchange of ideas means communication. Okay, so some of the aspects, it may be physical, psychological, emotional, and social, and some of the barriers or some of the aspects or some of the conditions that interfere. Okay, that interfere, that enter, that disturb. Okay, some of the condition that disturb the communication means that disturb the effective exchange of ideas or thoughts or feelings. Okay, that is the communication barriers. Next, types of barriers. Types of barrier in the of communication. Okay, see, there are 7 types: PCLE, GOP. Okay, you can remember like the PCL, PCLE, GOP. Okay, physical barrier, cultural barrier, language barrier, emotional barrier, gender barrier, organizational barrier, and perceptual barrier. Okay, let us discuss one by one. First one, physical barrier. This is the social distancing. Okay, disturbance. Physical barriers related to disturbance in the immediate situation. It can be interfere with an effective communication. Okay, it is some of the uh, physical barrier. It's some of the social distancing, maintaining some of the distancing disturbance. Okay, it is easy to alter, or it is the tough obstruction compared to all the remaining barriers. This is very tough obstruction. Okay, tough obstruction. See, the two person are standing in between the gap. Okay, see, this is the physical barrier. Physically there is some disturbance, or physically there is uh, physical there is not good environment, or light, like that. There is some physical. I tell what are the physical factors. See, the factors that causing the physical barrier: noise. Okay, defects in media. You exchange your ideas using your telephone media. There is some defects in media. There is disturbance in there is poor wire connection. Okay, poor wire connection, or poor network. Okay, poor network connectivity. If you doing WhatsApp video call to the your friend lived in Andhra or some Uttar Pradesh, like that, other states of India. Uh, you can make to call video call, WhatsApp video call. There is some network problem, network issue. That is one of the physical barrier. Defects in media and distraction in environment, noise. Okay, noise, or sharing the ideas or thoughts, feelings in the park, or in the film theater, like that. There is some disturbance in the surrounding environment. There is light, poor light. Okay, and noise, light, environment, or bad weather. Okay, bad weather, like that. There is a restriction in environment and distance, social distance nowadays. Okay, now the COVID time nowadays they are maintaining social distancing. That also one of the barriers of communication. When you maintain some distancing from your close friend. Okay, so maintaining some distance or social distancing from your close friend, or close teacher, or close neighbors, father, mother, like that. You maintain distance, that will control your communication. Okay, that's one of the physical barrier. And ignorance of medium ignorance, and physical disability, and physical some of the physical problem, hearing problem. Okay, hearing problem, defendant. Okay, not visual problem, like that. There is physically disability. How to overcome, or how to control, how to prevent or treatment for physical barrier. Okay, to be updated with latest technologies. If you are using 3G network, immediately change to 4G, like that. Immediately change to 4G for latest technology. Or you are using 1110 white and black Nokia backset mobile, immediately you change your technology. Immediately you buy some new smartphones, like that. That's the example. To be updated with latest technology. Okay, and choosing a suitable environment, or clean and silence environment for communication process, like that. And removing the obstacle. Okay, removing the obstruction. If the patient having some problem, there is hearing problem. Okay, it's hearing problem, you have to give some hearing aids then you start communication with the people. That is removing the obstruction, removing the present problem in the person. And making science easier to read. Example, you could supplement written science with pictures and visual. Such if the person is unable to understand your English language, or Hindi language, or Urdu language, like that, you can exchange your ideas using some science, or using some pictures, using some symbols, or visual, some non-verbal communication. Okay, not only verbal communication is the good or only that verbal is only the communication. Now you can use non-verbal. You can exchange your ideas using your non-verbal communication also. Non-verbal is without talking, like that. You show some pictures. You usually you can science, visual science. You can do some actions. Okay, like that. And self motivation, self confidence. Okay, self confidence, like that. That's the treatment of physical barrier. Next one, cultural barriers. See, cultural barrier. Second one. See, cultural barriers uh, basically represented its way of thinking or way of seeing, hearing, interpreting the world. Cultures. Okay, similar words can mean different things to people from different cultures, even when they talk the same language. If I talking in Kannada, okay, if I'm talking in Kannada, I mean, if you any other students or any other others talking, they are Christian. Okay, Hindu, Christian, all the similar, all the caste or all the cultural people, all the culture, there is different culture, thousands of cultures in the India. In the present India, there is India agreed there is receiving the thousand of different things, different people of different culture. All are speaking the same language, but okay, they cannot talk each other because of the culture, because of the culture. Okay, Hindu people they put somehow this one. What's that? Hindu people put some unable to, like that, not in the okay, like that, unable to. In some Christian people or Muslim people, they will not put, like, see, you understand the concept. Cultural barrier means some of the cultural aspect. It's okay, some of the cultural aspect. Even if they're talking same language, then there is some cultural barrier. I will explain in a second. See, factors: diversified cultural background and language and accent, behavior and nature. Accent is the new term. Yes, accent means there is the pronunciation problem. Okay, pronunciation problem. Okay, that's distinctive mode of pronunciation of a language. Okay, there's immediate, there is Maharashtra in Mumbai, there is practicing some Hindi language. In they suddenly coming, they're suddenly coming to the Karnataka, there is unable to talk or unable to pronounce Kannada language or unable to understand the Kannada language also. There is some language problem and pronunciation problem. Okay, and behavior and nature and behavior and religion. See, nowadays the religion is very it is moving the very bad condition. Okay, all are fighting. I am Hindu, you are Muslim, I am Christian, I am Sikh, I am Buddhist, like that they are fighting. Like that we are all Indians. Okay, we are all Indians. Culture, religions, language is secondary. The primary thing is we are proud to be Indians. Like that, we have to feel like that. We have to show the behavior like that, and we have to create the nature, and we are all same Indians. Okay, like that, we have to create that like that. Okay, there is this. See, these are the factors that causing the cultural barrier. How to overcome or prevent cross-culture environment. For example, cross-culture environment in some village area or in some um, colony. Okay, in colony, in the city, in the, for example, taking in city in Mysore, it's taking some Mysore city in some village or in the and the town in colony. Cross culture, first one here, first home is Hindu home, next Muslim home, next Christian, like that. You have to change our culture behavior. Deepavali is celebrated by all the Indians and Christmas is celebrated, you have to celebrate by all the Indians. And Okay, and on Eid Milad are celebrated by all the Indians. Like that, we have to change have to cross the culture environment, and have a thorough knowledge of your counterparts, culture, background, and conduct effective communication workshop. Okay, and conduct effective communication workshop in your working in the organization or in the institution or in the area. Your area is very bad about this cultural. They are showing some cultural barriers and cultural problem, and you can start conduct one workshop that's common for all the culture or all the religions people. Like that, you have to create some interest and work in groups and run frequent meeting. Okay, work in groups. Okay, work in groups. If there is some sanitization problem, okay, in your home there is open drainage system problem. All the villagers or all the people they are have to work in group and they are fighting against the government. There is a open drainage system, please give some this one. Like that, you have to ask and you have to talk with the government with showing some unity. No, not Hindu. I will not come to the talking like that. I'm not Christian. I am a Christian, and I am Muslim. I see. I'm not at that. You have to delete that one. Okay, you delete the cultural. Okay, cultural plan or cultural background. Yeah. Next, language barrier. Nowadays, language barriers is very version. Okay. Inability to converse and in a language that is known by both the sender and receiver is the greatest barrier to effective communication. Okay, when some English person uses some inappropriate words while conversing or while writing. Okay, some French person they don't know how to pronounce the English words. Okay, French person they don't know how to pronounce French citizens. They don't know how to pronounce English words. Some people, not I'm uh, telling all the this one. Some people like that. In some Mandya boys or Mandya students, they are unable to pronounce some Hindi or Urdu or English like that. They are purely okay. They are Kannadigas. Okay, like that. There is inappropriate words while conversing or writing. It could be lead. Okay, it could be lead to misunderstanding between sender and receiver. Okay, sender and receiver. For example for example sender they don't know the English. Okay, they don't know the English. Okay, they don't know the English. Sender they have to send to the receiver, like giving some blessing, like God bless you. Okay, God bless you, like that they have to send. Receiver's birthday. Okay, receiver birthday, sender has to send happy birthday, God bless you. This is the general common term they have to send to the receiver. What is the inappropriate words? Sender don't know the English. You know what is the sender put the message? Happy birthday. Okay, good. Next, God blessed you. Okay, God blessed you. Instead of bless, the term, the word that converts into the blessed. Okay, that is create the misunderstanding in the receiver and sender also. This God blessed you. See the term or see the meaning. What is the meaning? There is a God bless you and God blessed you. There is different meaning. Okay, that's not matching. One side is giving blessings, or one side is giving danger sign. Like that, there is a language barrier while writing or while typing or while conversing. Or another example, the two friends are talking on the telephone or mobile. Okay, two friends are talking the mobile. Another friend asked, okay, yesterday your results are what yours or pass or fail, like that. They ask like that. The another friend, receiver, okay, sender asked yesterday your results out. No, what is your situation or what is your result? That sender asked the question to the receiver. Receiver tell like they conversing. Receiver tells Yesterday results came, but I passed. Okay, I passed. Okay, that is okay. Receiver add one more word. I passed away. Okay, I passed away. Yesterday my results came. I passed away. Passed away. What is the meaning? Passed away. Death. See, that is the conversion. Then there is the language barrier, language misunderstanding. Okay, see, these are all the. This is some picture. There is English, Chinese, Japanese, Koreans, Thai language, Russian, German. There is millions, or there is so many languages in the world. Okay, factors causing language barriers. See, multi-language. Okay, multi-language. See the global. There is multi-language. For example, taking India, there is multi-language present in the India and reason. Okay, different reasons. There is 7 main reasons. There is different reasons and different language and inadequate vocabulary. Okay, inadequate. Okay, they don't know how to pronounce apple, and they don't know how to pronounce pineapple like that. Okay, vocabulary and some of the meaningful like some of the unmeaningful word. For example, Aristotle like that. I passed away. God blessed you like that. There's some unmeaningful. There's no any meaning. And interpreting difference. Okay, interpreting difference. Interpreting difference. And how to overcome. How to overcome the language barrier. See, first one, speak slowly and clearly. Not blah blah blah. Okay. I have to speak slowly. I'm how I am taking the class. There is slowly class to speak slowly and clearly. That has to reach the receiver or students who are listening my class. That has to reach to you. It's clear with clear bass voice and slowly speaking straight. And ask for clarification. Last 10 minutes. There is total 1 hour class. Last 10 minutes, you have to ask for any clarification. Or in between the class, you have to ask for any clarification. And frequently check for understanding. Frequently check. Frequently check. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me like that? You have to ask in frequently class. At least every 20 minutes or every 30 minutes like that. You have to frequently check for understanding status of the receiver and be specific. Okay, be specific. Today's this topic finish. Today's barriers of communication. Don't mingle with process of communication. And don't mix up with all the contents of CET like that. Be specific of your communication. Choose your medium of communication effectively. Choose your medium like Zoom or like Meet, like Cisco Webex, like that. Choose your medium and be patient. Okay, be patient until connecting to your class, until connecting to your Zoom meeting or Cisco Webex meeting. You have to be patient. There is some technical problem, or there is some internet problem, there is some network problem, or there is a meeting ID problem, password, like that. You have to be patient until connecting to the meeting or connecting to the class. You have to be patient, like that. These are some of the language barrier. Next, emotional barrier. Emotion. Okay, capacity to make yourself understood and hamper your understanding of others. Okay, emotional barriers. There is death. Okay, there is some death of some person. Okay, emotional state may influence your capacity to make yourself understood and hamper your understanding of others. Okay, hamper. Hamper means problems. Okay, hamper means problem or some of the problems in the during the lack of understanding. Lack of understanding your emotion. Okay, hampers. Not pampers, hamper. HAMPER. That is some problem in your understanding process, understanding capacity problem. Many times the emotional barriers on your part or part of the person you are speaking, which may inhibit your ability to communicate on effective ability to communicate on an effective level. See, there is different levels of emotion, different emotional level. First one is the sad, next one is the shocking, how and the, and third one is the enjoying or in happy mood, and fourth one is some okay, showing some anxiety, or showing some creating okay and confusion, like that. There is different emotion. During this type of emotion, there is inability or unable to share their feelings. See, factor causing emotional barrier, that is fear or insecurity, mistrust or stress. Okay, factors causing emotional barrier, there is fear. Okay, all you are the students are fear or showing anxiety while talking with the CA or chairman sir or principal madam, like that. Or feeling insecurity after leaving your home and you are staying in the Australia, you're staying in the hostel, and there is feeling some insecurity or feeling some insecurity talking with the stranger person, strangers, especially the male, especially the gender problem. There's expert gender barrier. Okay, there is some insecurity, feeling some insecurity and mistrust, not trust anyone, not trust anyone. Okay, next stress. There is some stress, problem, tension, tension. See how to overcome motivation and commitment to change, peer or mentor support, practice expressing recognition. Peer support. Peer means sibling or your friend. Take the support from your friend while talking with the strangers, while talking with the principal madam, like that. And practice expressing the recognition. By expressing your recognition, identification, like that. There is some emotional problem. Next, now only I told the gender barriers. See, gender barrier. Okay, relationship, respect, workplace, authority, education, common ways, and men and women are pitted against each other. Men and women, there is opposite side. Men and women. Okay, there is some shy behavior, shy. Okay, and giving the men person giving respect to the humans or relationship, maintaining some good relationship, and workplace authority in the workplace or in the college or in the institution. Women or girls sitting separate desk or males or boys sitting separate desk, like that. There is preventing the communication between the two person, men and women. There is gender barrier. Okay, there is overcoming barriers. Gender communication is not simple but can be made clear with little patience and understanding. You have to make some clear patience. And see, fear and shy. Okay, fear and shy behavior, shy. Okay, fear and shy behavior. And environmental barriers, environmental gender barrier. Okay, okay, shy, showing some nervousness. Okay, showing some nervousness while talking with the female, women or men candidates, showing some nervousness or shy, showing some shy behavior. And environment, working place. In the working place, okay, in front of all the students or in front of all the teachers in the classroom or in front of all the teachers in the staff room and all the students in the classroom, there is environmental bias, environmental problem. How, what is the technique to talk that girl, and how will I talk with that girl? There is some problem, environmental problem. What other people think while we are closing, we moving closely, or we are talking continuously, we are talking what others think, like that. Environment and misunderstanding, ego. Okay, ego, misunderstanding. See the pictures that showing misunderstanding. They are, I think, they are husband and wife. In between there are some misunderstanding. That well, that prevents there is communication barrier. See that barrier, communication, there is gender barrier. Here they are maintaining some close relationship. Okay, close relationship. This is some showing that misunderstanding, gender barrier. How to overcome? How to overcome, how to cross the gender barrier. See, first, the process of bridging the gap between gender communication requires the great deal of patience, understanding that only time and attention will teach. Okay, the great deal of patience, patience, not blah, blah, not speedily speaking or confused talk, or misunderstanding terms, using misunderstanding terms and misunderstanding words. To giving some, maintain some patience, some distance, and some understanding, and that only the time that your attention at that time, you can easily talk with your friend, your girlfriend, or your boyfriend. Like next, organizational behavior. Oh, organizational barriers. Organizational barriers. Organizational structure that greatly affects the capability of the employees as far as communication is concerned. Organization barrier. Okay, this type of barriers are continuously they are establishing that will continuously that maintaining in the every organization, in our organization also. Okay, there's some other course staffs are not talking with the another course. Okay, for example, fifth standard staff room, they are not talking with the sixth standard teachers. Like that, there is organizational barrier, ego. All the internal factors which strain and block the process of communication are known as organizational barrier. The main thing in organizational barrier is ego. Some such factors have already been discussed, like restrictive environments, as in the physical barriers. We already discussed in the environmental problem, restrictive environment, and deceptive tactics and communication network. Like, see, this status relationship. Okay, the common employee, just employee cannot directly talk with the CAO or chairman or the MD. Before talking that employee or class 4 workers, before talking they have to talk with their supervisor. Like that, their status relationship, they are maintaining some status relationship. That also creates some organizational barrier. And one way flow, only CEO or talking, only our MD, managing director, talking continuously are talking, or CEO or continuously talking, not giving chance to talk with the opposite persons. One way flow. And organization structure means rules and regulations, that is protocols. Talking hours 1 to 2, meeting hours 2 to 3, lunch break 12 to 1. Like that, there is some rules and regulation of protocols. Class 4 workers must not talk with the lectures or in the employees. Like that, too many levels in organization structure. Okay, too many levels, too many disturbance. How to overcome? Okay, poor structure to the communication, a weak delivery, and use of the wrong medium to deliver the communication, and mixed messages delivered to the wrong audience and distracting the environment. See, these are the some of the steps that create and that prevent the organizational barrier. When you work in the organization barrier, that will prevent some organizational barriers. These are all the barriers of communication. If you have any doubt in these barriers of communication, please put your doubt, any queries, please put that message in the comment box or in the chat box. Thank you.